Okay, Unit 1, Corrective 1, Competency 4, Matrices. Okay, again, a matrix is just a table of numbers, and we can do anything to those numbers that we can do anything that we can do to a number or two numbers, we can do to an entire table of numbers. So we're going to add these two tables together. So the 3 gets added to the negative 1. So 3 plus a negative 1 would be a positive 2, sorry. Negative 5 plus 2 would be a negative 3. 4 plus 7 is 11. 0 plus 4 is 4. Negative 1 plus 0 is a negative 1. And 6 plus a negative 9 is a negative 3. The only time this gets weird is if we're subtracting, and we're going to do keep, change, and then we're changing everything in this table. So change, 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 change. What is that? What do I have over there? Let's see, that's supposed to be 1. Where'd that line come from? That's supposed to be 1, so I'm changing it to a negative 1. And now we just do the same way we would anything else. Oops. Or the same that we did the last one. So that would be 7 plus 2, oops, 9, 0 plus a negative 3, negative 1 plus 3, 4 plus a negative 5, negative, is that a negative 3? Or negative 2? Negative 2 plus 10, 6 plus a negative 1. Sorry, my handwriting is so bad on this, I need to get one of those stylus things. That's all correct. Okay. We can also multiply everything that's in that matrix by a single number. So we're going to multiply everything that's in there by 3. So 3 times 4 is 12, 3 times 9 is 27, 3 times 7 is 21, 3 times 1 is a negative 3, 3 times 5 is 15, 3 times a negative 6 is a negative 18. All right, we can also multiply everything that's in there by a fraction, which is the same as timesing by 1 and dividing by 4. So 17 times 1 divided by 4, it doesn't divide evenly, so we're just going to call it 17/4. A negative 20 divided by 4 would be a negative 5. 0 divided by 4 is still 0. 8 divided by 4 is 2. Negative 4 divided by 4 is a negative 1. 13 divided by 4 doesn't come out evenly, so I'm just going to leave it like that. If you put a decimal, that's perfectly fine. It's just a lot more work, so I wouldn't do it, but that's me. You can, if you put a decimal, and it's correct. If it was actually 17 divided by 4 that got you the decimal, then you should be fine. All right. Then we can also do both, add and multiply by things. So I'm going to multiply everything in this table by negative 2 first. We're still following the order of operations, so negative 4, positive 20, positive 10, negative 28. Then I'm going to divide everything in here by 2. So 3, negative 6, negative 8, 1. And then I'm going to add them together. So I am running out of space. Do 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 do. Okay. So now I'm going to add them together. Negative 4 plus 3 is a negative 1. 20 plus a negative 6 is 14. 10 plus a negative 8 is 2. Negative 28 plus 1 is a negative 27. And let's see if I'm right. 2, 14. Yeah. All right. And that is it.